In this video I will show you how to create your own roles. Back to roles, that is, for the simple reason that roles, well, they're a part of the collections. So I want to show you what you can do to set up your own role. And in order to do so, let me go to the roles directory and let's investigate MOTD as well as MOTD2. What is the thing? If you use Ansible Galaxy role in it, my role, for instance, then you create the directory structure that is required to create your own role. So if I use tree my role, then what do I get? I get these different directories that you should always have in the role. Now you can just fill it out and make sure that the appropriate information is where it needs to be. I am going to show you in the role subdirectory the MOTD role, and in the MOTD role we find a very simple example. First, I cleaned up the directory structure. Everything that's not required is deleted. So we only have defaults, meta, tasks, and templates. If we go there in order of importance, first in meta, what do we have in meta? Meta is for metadata, and the metadata is information that would typically end up in Ansible Galaxy. So this is where you are going to make sure that all the important information is there. Well, this role is going to be so important. We need Ansible 2.8 and later. Of course, change anything that needs to be changed. Next, let's have a look at tasks. In tasks, there's a main.yml. And in this main.yml, this task is very simple. This task is only copying an MOTD file. The source is templates, MOTD, the destination is MOTD. And you know what? Let's make that new MOTD so that we don't overwrite anything and mess up things. So this task is working with a template. The template is what we have right here, the MOTD.j2. And in this template, we can see there's a couple of Ansible facts. And there is a contact message, contact system manager if anything is wrong. So the system manager is a variable that you need to provide, and it is provided through defaults, main.yaml. The thing in the defaults is that defaults contain some standard variables, and it's okay to override them. You don't need them, you want to work with your own, that's okay. We just need a default value for the variables to ensure that the role is not going to fail because you are missing default values. And the rest of it is going to happen from the playbook. Now notice that in the directory that you are using, roles are supposed to be in the roles directory. Uh-oh, my role, wrong directory, my friends. Might as well rm-rf it, because we don't need it anymore anyways. Let's have a look at motd role.yml, where we can see that this role is executed on Ansible 2. The other information not really important. The important part is right here. So roles, we call role MOTD, and we override system manager. Now what's going to be the result? Well, Ansible playbook MOTD role.yml is going to do the role. And if we check Ansible on Ansible 2 -a cat etc new MOTD, then what do we see? We see, yay, welcome to Ansible 2. Everything is looking okay. And the interesting fact, it has overwritten the variable. Now, there's a couple of more things that I want to show you about roles, and that is these pre and posts. If you look at pre-tasks, what do we see in pre-tasks? This is an example of how you can use pre-tasks. Why would you want to update yum cache before rolling MOTD? I don't know, but I just wanted to show you the pre-tasks, and that is how it works. So pre-task is important. Pre-tasks is to define the order of tasks and how they are going to be started, and that is about it. Enough about roles. Let's go to the end of lesson lab.